Whether you want to go further, faster, or enjoy a perfect day on the water with the family, we share your passion for sailing. B&G has been there, helping sailors to meet these challenges and set new standards with ever more precise and reliable technology that pushes the boundaries of sailing performance. Working with some of the world's finest racing crews over the last 50 years has given us a genuine appreciation of the challenges faced by all yachtsmen. In 1971, Sir Che Blythe became the first person to sail non-stop westward around the world aboard the yacht British Steel, taking 292 days.
I needed the instruments to help me balance the boat so they really came into their own. I was very, very lucky indeed to have them on board.
In 1983, John Bertrand skippered Australia 2 to victory in the America's Cup. Highly accurate wind calculations from our Hercules system allowed him to end 132 years of American supremacy. Our equipment helped Ellen MacArthur on her fastest solo circumnavigation of the globe in 2004. Our autopilot allowed Ellen to focus on getting the most out of the sails and rig, so that she could push all the way across the Pacific Ocean. We were there when Loic Peyron and the crew of the Banque Populaire won the Jules Verne in 2012. Our wave technology processor was fundamental in allowing them to achieve speeds of over 40 knots for 45 days and nights, smashing the previous record. And with every 2014 Volvo Ocean race yacht now fitted with B&G equipment as standard, we're determined to remain the leaders in our field forever.
The B&G software is good for any type of sailor, whether you be racing around the world or pleasure sailing in local waters.
We're still the only major marine electronics brand designing and manufacturing products specifically for yachtsmen. We know that not everyone wants to be a professional racer. We understand it's just as important to know when to reef the sails for a more comfortable ride, to avoid hidden sandbanks, to find the place to drop anchor for a swim, and to make it back to the clubhouse before nightfall. We share your passion and have packed 60 years of knowledge and experience into a range of products to make your time on the water that bit better.
The autopilot with the two of us cruising, particularly for getting the main down, things like that, it's really good to be able to use those functions.
Absolutely.
So, if you're going around the world as a pro racer, or just going around the island with club mates, if you're going across the bay with family, around the coast with friends, or exploring the new, here's to those perfect days on the water. B&G, a passion for sailing.